Hey guys, I'm Jed with Desert Eagle Overland Adventures. Today we're going to be talking about storage solutions for your JK. We figured out how to use some wasted space in our JK by using these Rollbar bags from Right Line Gear. We've seen some criticisms about these bags, but I have to tell you, I quite like them. One of the criticisms is that on the right side Rollbar bag, the zippers are in the wrong direction, and they zip from the bottom to the top, which is true. On the left side Rollbar bag, they zip from top to bottom, which makes a little bit more sense. But we figured out how to use these bags because they do have nice zippers and they're waterproof and they keep our gear dry. So for our driver's side, on the right side, we keep our towels. They stay dry and dust free. We have a bath towel, a hand towel, and a washcloth for 2 guests and a laundry bag. We put the laundry bag in the bottom of the bag, because remember, this is the one that zips from bottom to top. And since we have big towels in here, nothing small is gonna fall out. We put our laundry bag in there, and then we roll up our towels to match the shape of the bag and put them in. We'll be installing these in the Jeep in a second. In our left side Rollbar bag, we have some kitchen essentials. Things that we want to stay dry and dust free. We've got a kitchen towel and some dish rags, some oven gloves, wash mitts. We've got a drinking water filtration kit. We've got a lantern for easy access when in the back of the car. And then for spares at the bottom, we've got a couple duct tapes. One's silver, one's black. That's what the colors we have on the car. And all these items fit in your left side Rollbar bag and are going to be it's a bottom to top zipper. So we're not going to be fumbling around and having things fall in the back of the car. All these items fit easily within this bag, and there's even more space for more. Once we've got this in, we're going to mount them on the roll bars and move on to some other storage solutions. Mounting the Right Line roll bar bags is easy. They just have 2 clips that go around your roll bar. One of them I put on top of the seat belt, and the other one I mount on the bottom of the roll bar. This is wasted space that we would otherwise not use. So installation literally takes no time at all, but you can see that the zippers, like I mentioned, on the right side zip from bottom to top. So that's why we put our bulky items in here, so they don't fall out into the back of the Jeep and we can stay organized. Easy. Now they're out of the way and ready for more storage. Looking at more storage solutions for our JK, we want to use as much wasted space as possible. So we found these roll bar organizer bags that go between the back angle of your roll bar, and they're compatible with our Right Line roll bar bags. In the driver's side bag, which is our right hand side, we've got mostly tools and mechanical equipment, and I'll show you what's inside all the pockets. In the other side, I call this our sports and leisure. We've got some other things in here, but you'd be amazed how much these things actually hold. So we've got our interior trim kit. You saw us use that on our video about our headlight removal. This is really all you need with one Torx to change your headlights. Everything else we've got in here, we've got a mixture of wire cutters, needle nose pliers, a couple different adjustable wrenches. We've got all our screwdrivers and some wire clippers. We've got some emergency fix-it tapes. We've got some sealants, basically some quick set putty, some plumber's tape, you name it, we've got it there. And we've got a really nice set of shears. These come handy when you're out on the trail. In this pocket, we've got our tire deflation kit, and we've got always an easy access. We've got another lantern. So these are accessible from the rear door on both sides of the Jeep. Now, I know you thought that was a lot, but these fit more. There's another pocket here. We put our emergency vest and some spare zip ties, because you never know when you're going to need those on the trail. And inside this pocket, we put our recovery straps and ratchet tie-down straps. So when it's hanging, they're easily accessible, but we fit about 6 straps in there, no problem. In the side pocket, they have even more. We put a spare liter of oil. We've got some work gloves, a number of sets, and some oil filters for our oil changes on the trail. In case of a jump, we've got our booster cables, and we've got a foldable spade for digging holes. In here, we also keep an extra serpentine belt, and we've got our emergency triangles in case we need to stop on the side of the road. All easily accessible from the driver's side. And you can see these bags have separate compartments, so they keep your gear organized and ready to go at all times. In the other bag, we call this our sports and leisure. Again, we've got another accessible lantern right inside the rear door. In this pocket, on this one, we keep some wash puffs, some folding camping chairs, and some hammocks. I told you it was sports and leisure. This is also where we keep our 12-volt shot back. And underneath, we've got our slingshots. Those keep the marmosets away. We've got our stainless steel shot, an extra knife for easy access. We've got a magnifying glass if we're looking at strange bugs, and we've got a hairbrush in case you want to brush a monkey. We've also got a dustpan and broom that's perfect for sweeping out the tent. And inside this pocket, for doing laundry or hanging a wet towel after you've gone swimming, we've got a clothesline from sea to summit and some clothespins from the dollar store. We've got more. Inside this pocket, we have stakes for our annexes. In case of a thunder shower, we've got a pocket poncho. We've got a recipe book for our Potjie pot. And these bags come with extra straps, so you can hang just about anything with a carabiner from these and have all kinds of storage space. We haven't even used these bags to their fullest potential, but they go up easy in the Jeep. You want to make sure you put your straps where they're going to support the bag the best, especially if you have a lot of weight in them. But we're going to put them in now, and you'll see how they work with the Rollbar bags that we've already installed. So we've got our last strap on our Rollbar storage bags. These things are really easy to install. Just make sure you put the straps so that they're not dangling down and in your way, and that they're all out of the way. Matter of fact, these top two straps you can put underneath the Velcro strap on the hardtop. And we'll get our 12-volt vacuum back in its place, and then we're all done. I hope you liked our video. If you did, hit the like button. All the links to the products that we use are below. Make sure you hit subscribe to follow our adventures through South Africa.